AyA is Canada's leading manufacturer of high-quality frameless cabinetry. The company was founded in 2000 and has grown to become one of the most efficient and environmentally friendly cabinet companies in North America. AyA is very much a design-driven company. The name AyA actually means design in Japanese. Great design is not only the final look, feel, and quality of a product, but also the design processes which enable it. Which is why today, we'd like to take you behind the scenes and take a look at our 120,000 square foot manufacturing plant and see just what goes into making a beautiful AyA kitchen. Starting in 2001, with more than 20 years experience in the woodworking industry, Dan's hands-on and technical expertise have been essential in maintaining AyA's door manufacturing, custom shop, and high-tech, high-output panel processing departments. He has also been an integral part of incorporating our third-party quality certification.
So Dan, AyA's quality is third-party certified. Can you explain a little of what this means?
Woodmark is a third-party quality assurance program. It's an industry-specific certification program. It's designed for manufacturers of wood-based products and is heavily focused on process management, process measurement, benchmarking, also skills and development training, and a lot of continuous improvement. We've been certified since January 2007, and we get audited every year.
And what's involved in maintaining this constant level of quality?
Continuous monitoring of our strengths and weaknesses. We have SOPs throughout the whole plant, from the purchasing of our material, through the whole process, panel processing in the door department, all the way through to our finishing and our assembly lines.
So besides our Woodmark quality certification, AyA also has certifications when it comes to our green products.
AyA Kitchen's Evo line is FSC certified. What FSC is a Forestry Stewardship Council. And through our chain of custody, we are able to determine that all of the material that we are purchasing comes from responsibly managed forests. This is very important in our green line. Green line is not just something that is trendy right now. It's the way of the future, and it's something that we believe is very strong in production of our cabinets. Our Evo cabinetry line contains zero added urea formaldehyde. Our cabinets also carry the seal of approval from KCMA, which is the Kitchen Cabinet Manufacturers Association. They are tested annually to ensure that they are a quality product able to perform after a rigorous battery of tests, simulating years of typical household use.
So where do we start when we're manufacturing a kitchen?
Everything we produce here at AyA is made to order. We don't assemble our cabinets from a generic stocking program. Every kitchen is manufactured specifically for an end user. This unique process that AyA has designed is achieved through integrating a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility along with a sophisticated software program that we've designed here in-house. We like to call this process mass customization. Every week's orders are put into one large batch. That batch is grouped together by like parts and put into cut files. At this point, we only have parts in the panel processing area. There's no kitchen identification associated with that part.
So panel processing takes place on one side of the plant and door processing takes place on the other?
For the door department, we order the material only for what we need. We have very little stock in-house. And also, likewise, with the door department, the same as the panel processing, we batch all of our doors by like sizes in order to, again, get the best optimization, the best efficiencies out of all the machines in the door department.
Is that a black light I see at the end of the flat sander?
In the past, we used to have a lot of problems with doors going through the sander, and we would see some of the glue would squeeze out and it wouldn't be sanded off. This is a really good example of our Woodmark quality system in place. What we've done now is we've added a small fluorescent additive to the glue, so when it goes through the sanding machine, if it's not sanded off entirely, it actually fluorescents under the light, and we're able to take it out and put it through the sander again, obviously saving some waste from that door going into the garbage.
An eye for detail and a passion for constant progress and improvement places Murat Sezen ahead of the game in the finishing department. Using a mixture of state-of-the-art technology and old-world craftsmanship, Murat makes sure AyA is a leader in our industry.
So this is my favorite place in the plant. It's amazing how sophisticated the spray gun system is.
We have made a big effort to move from what we would call a conventional spray system to an air assist airless spray system. Conventional spray systems are very bad for transfer efficiency. Transfer efficiency is the amount of paint that you actually get on the board you're spraying. The spray cabin you see behind me has a sensor system that detects where the parts are in its working field. The spray arms then only spray where those parts are in the field. minimizing the amount of overspray, the waste of coating, and the amount of emissions we create. Using an automatic flatline spray system also enables us to repeat the coating settings over and over and over again, leaving AyA with a very, very consistent, good quality finish. Even though at AyA we've invested in very advanced spray equipment, we still value the old world craftsmanship of finishing. In the era we refer as offline finishing, this is where all the handcrafted finishing takes place. What you'll see is very handcrafted detail work going on, from antiquing to glazing to distressing. The main goal with our offline antiquing finish system is to produce a uniform look, but a closer inspection offers slight variances.
AyA uses a UV cured top coat. So what are the benefits of using a UV cured top coat versus traditional methods?
First and foremost, our UV top coat is formaldehyde free. We require less energy to run UV top coat when compared to traditional acid-cured top coats. UV top coat provides good scratch and mar resistance when also compared to acid-cured top coats. When they're cured, they encapsulate the wood, which prevents the wood from further off-gassing. Not having to catalyze a top coat with an acid also allows us to continue to recycle the product. What we do is we recapture all the overspray, reformulate it, and put it back into our product.
It takes great organization and people skills to run a department as big as assembly and shipping. At AyA, this is made possible under the management of Joe Barbera. Joe keeps the process running smoothly and efficiently, sending out quality kitchens across North America and internationally.
This is a big department, Joe. What goes into making the shipping and assembly department run smoothly?
The plant and operations managers meet every morning to discuss the next day's production schedule. A copy of the production schedule is given to all the departments. Once the schedule goes out, the shipping department is able to schedule trucks to be loaded and also to stage kitchens for local pickups and deliveries.
So until it reaches assembly, it's all just parts.
We collect kitchen parts as they come to us from the machining and drilling departments by size and color. We then pick the individual cabinets from a list that we receive daily, and this assembly ticket contains a barcode which has all the customer information and all the cabinet information as well. Once all these parts are picked for each individual cabinet, an order is now complete and it's a full kitchen. All of our standard cabinets are glued and doweled. They're placed into a carcass press where they are held tightly so that the glue can set. We then apply the doors and drawers, and a final inspection is done.
So how is the kitchen prepared for the shipping process?
Kitchens are shipped coast to coast across Canada, the US, and even internationally. All finished edges of the doors are protected with craft cardboard and shrink wrap. A sticker with all the cabinet and customer information is affixed onto the back of the cabinets. And once all these cabinets have been scanned, we know a kitchen order is complete. The cabinets are packed in delivery sequence in air ride equipped trucks, and they're packed to maximize efficiency and also to prevent from shifting and from damages.
And that's what goes on behind the scenes here at AyA. We hope you've enjoyed this sneak peek at just what goes into kitchen manufacturing. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.